Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ken and you're watching 3D is Nuts, the channel where I show you how nuts I am about 3D design. And today guys on the channel I'm going to show you my latest design, which is this chess slash checkerboard pencil holder I created in Tinkercad. And this is just a look at it. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah guys, I have already gone ahead and printed this, so I will be dropping a video on my other channel, Ken Prints This, and you guys can check out the 3D printed version of this on that channel. And while I'm already on the subject, if you guys are also interested in any other content from me, you can also check out my personal channel, Ken Is This, and you guys can just see some behind the scenes footage of myself. But anyways, going back into this is my latest design. Like I said, I have already printed it. Um, in order to print it, you need to use a thing called a slicer, and I already put this design into a slicer. I'm using my CAD printer, so I have to use my CAD slicer in order for it to kind of work on that printer. And here is that design, and you guys can kind of see the path. Yeah, you guys can kind of see the path that it's taking in order to do some of the prints and some of the supports. But yeah, sorry if the video is a little choppy, but just trying to give you guys a good view of it, and then as well as show you guys what are my settings for this 3D printed piece, or how I 3D printed it in the slicer. So here are just some glimpses of my settings. But yeah guys, I'm very happy with it. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. But yeah guys, it looks something like this. It turned out really nice. Like I said, I have some pictures and another time-lapse video of it coming out on other channels, but yeah, it turned out really nice. But yeah guys, just wanted to show you that. Again, just wanted to show you the latest design, if I can, on 3D's Nuts. But yeah guys, thank you so much for checking out the channel. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, please check out my other content on my other channels and my other content on other platforms I have, like Tinkercad, Thingiverse, Facebook, and Patreon. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning into the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.